You know, there is one important factor that differentiates between those who are successful and those who are not. Personally, I am reluctant to use three types of words: successful, success or failure, hard work. Generally, I don't. But in order to make you understand the impact of what I'm trying to tell, I will use these words. You know what is the differentiating factor between successful people and failure people? Those who are not successful, those who are successful. Both of them are working hard. Both of them are working hard, but in two different dimensions. One, really working on the process, really hard working on the process. And another one, ignoring about the process, continuously wasting his energy on worry. You know, he is worrying hard, not working hard. He is worrying hard. You think of which category you belong to. If you think you belong to worrying hard category, not working hard category, no matter how much energy you waste, you will not reach success. You will not reach your goal. Because where have you invested your productive time and energy? You continuously worry about result. You continuously think about what if I fail. Whereas you need to focus on the process. You need to be consistent. You are not consistent in your working methodology. You are not consistent in how much portion I finished, how much syllabus I have completed. In this particular subject, in this particular level, I have these many chapters. How many of them I completed? How many are there? How much I can complete before the examination? You are not thinking about this. Are this much portion is there? How can I finish within this available time? Ayo, I cannot do. I will definitely fail. Let me plan for next attempt. You are thinking like this. You are worrying a lot. You are not working hard. So much of worry you do, so much of worry you keep on, you obviously fail. You are far away. You are stepping far away from the result. So what is important? Work. Stop worrying. Start working. The moment you worry, that's so much of time you worry. So many times you worry. So many times you are losing time and energy. Invest the time and energy on whatever you can work on. Something you finish, no? Okay, you have only 30 days time. Okay, you have only 35 days time. You have only 10 days time. You know, have this attitude. Have this attitude. How much I can do within this next 10 days? I have 10 days. What I can do? How can I decrease my burden so that in the next exam I will qualify with better marks? Think about this. If I am in your place, even if you give me 3 days time, I will try to get at least one exemption in one subject. I will not be thinking about, okay, next attempt, I'll take care of it in next attempt. I will not be withdrawing from the race. I will focus. Somehow I will try to reduce my work burden. You're having 35 days, you're having 30 days, you worked on something. Somehow you realize it now that you don't have that much time to finish this much syllabus, pending syllabus. Focus on how much you can still finish within this time productively. Instead of worrying, think about working, how much I can finish. Okay, I have 30 days. Within this time, how much I can finish? I have 35 days. Within this time, how much I can finish? So that the chances, the success rate in the examination can be increased. But you are not thinking like that. You are continuously worrying. When you continuously worry, even the success will go away from you. Even if success want to come to you, it will not, because you are continuously worrying. Success only comes to those people who do not worry, who focuses on the process, who executes as much as possible they can. So stop worrying, start working. All the best.